Hello, Year 11s. Our next lesson will be on index law number 2, which is dividing powers. So if you're given two indices with the same base, so a to the m divided by a to the n, the law states that to solve it, you copy the base, which is a, both, and then the exponent will be the numerator, which is m, minus the exponent of the denominator, which is n. To understand the concept well, let's have an example here. So x to the fourth y cubed divided by x squared y squared. If you look at it, we get two variables in here, x and y. So what you need to do is, we said from the law above, copy the base, so the same base x, the numerator 4 minus the denominator 2. Y, copy the base, now the variable, and the numerator, which is 3 minus 2. The final answer would be x squared, that's 4 minus 2 is 2, and then y to the power 1, or y. Okay, let's take another example. 16a to the power 5b times 4a to the fourth b cubed over 8ab. So what we're going to do here is to make sure that, like, you see what the constants are and what the variables are. So we got 16 multiplied by another constant 4 in here. We got a and we got b as well. So you need to combine all the denominators first before you divide that with all the numerators first before you divide with the denominators here. Get that? So 16 times 4 would be, that should be 64. Yep. A here, law number 1, a to the m plus n would be, copy the base a, the base a, and then the exponent would be 5 minus 4, which is 5 plus 4, which is 9. We're going to get that. And then b, exponent is 1, 3 here, a to the m plus n. So you got b, the 3 plus 1, which is 4. Yep. Divide that by 8ab. Now at this point, you can use the law above, that a to the m divided by a to the n is equal to the base, and take the exponent of the numerator minus the denominator here. So what happens is 64 divided by 8 will be 8. That's a to the 9, a to the 1. That should be a to the 9 minus 1, which is 8. And b to the fourth over b to the 1 would be b cubed. And that will be the final answer for that. Now, let's flip it over. I want you to try it yourself. So, if you have b to the power 4x, b to the x plus 1, divided by b to the 2x, I'll give you 30 seconds to think about it. All right, you probably have an idea on how to solve it. So do the numerator first. Okay, we got two b's in here. So you would say, copy the base, which is b, a to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. So m here is 4x, plus n is x plus 1. You don't have to put the bracket in there, over b to the 2x. Now combine like terms. You know you get 2x's in here, 4x and x and a constant. So your answer would be, not the answer yet, but if you simplify that, that would be b to the 4x plus x is 5x. So if you can fit in here, plus 1, so I got 1 in here, over b to the 2x. Now you can apply the second law. A to the m over a to the n is a to the m minus n. So that would be b to the m is 5x plus 1 minus n minus 2x. Now, what you need to do is combine like terms. So 5x and 2x are like terms. That's 5x minus 2x. So the final answer would be b to the 3x. Sign numbers, everyone. Need to practice that. Plus, the one on top. It should be 1 on top. Plus 1. And that should be the final answer. So what I want you to do is to practice chapter 13 questions at the back of your textbook for fluency.